Today I'm showing something one of you requested, seaweed salad. I'll show you how to make 5 of my favorite seaweed salads. They are all simple, delicious, and easy to make at home. When you think of seaweed salad, wakame is probably the first type of seaweed that comes to mind. In Japan, dried wakame is commonly used because it's convenient and easy to store. All you need to do is soak it in water and it's ready to add to your favorite dishes. I always keep some in my pantry. Dried wakame expands to around 10 times its original size, so be careful not to use too much. A small amount is all you need. The first recipe is a wakame avocado salad. It combines creamy avocado, tender wakame, and crunchy cucumber. For the dressing, we are keeping it simple with refreshing ponzu sauce. This light and easy salad is ready in under 10 minutes. First, soak the dried wakame in water for 5 to 10 minutes. Cut the avocado into bite-sized pieces. Cut the cucumber into small chunks as well. Add the avocado, cucumber, and rehydrated wakame to a bowl. Add the ponzu and toasted sesame seeds. Then gently toss everything together. Be careful not to mash the avocado. Ponzu is a refreshing Japanese citrus-flavored soy sauce. If you can find ponzu, you can make a quick substitute by combining soy sauce with a little sugar and lemon juice. Once everything is evenly coated, transfer the salad to a serving dish. And that's it. So simple. Next, we are making a tofu and wakame salad. Tofu and wakame go really well together, and this is a classic combination that my family enjoys at home. I'll also show you how to make a quick homemade dressing to serve with it. For this salad, we will need dehydrated wakame, tofu, lettuce, and cherry tomatoes. You can use either farm or silken tofu. Today I'm using farm tofu. I'm using the tofu without pressing it, but if you prefer a firmer texture or are concerned about the salad becoming watery, you can drain it beforehand. Arrange the lettuce, tofu, wakame, and cherry tomatoes on a serving plate. A soy sauce-based dressing works really well with this salad. You can use a store-bought Japanese-style dressing if you prefer. Today I'm making a simple dressing with mayonnaise, soy sauce, grated ginger, vinegar, and vegetable oil. Simply combine all the dressing ingredients and mix well. Pour the dressing over the salad and it's ready to serve. Feel free to adjust the flavor of the dressing to your preference. By the way, I have another video where I explain more about the different types of Japanese seaweed and how to use them. If you like to learn more, be sure to check that video out as well. Next, I'll show you 2 salads using hijiki. Hijiki is a type of seaweed that has been eaten in Japan for centuries. Like wakame, hijiki is usually sold dried. It's easy to store and prepare, so it's another useful ingredient to keep in your pantry. Now, let's make 2 simple salads with hijiki. The first one is an edamame and hijiki salad. It combines sweet corn, edamame, and hijiki with a creamy mayonnaise dressing. It's colorful, satisfying, and also a great option for meal prep. First, carefully slice the corn kernels away from the cob. Remove the cooked edamame from their pods. Soak the dried hijiki in water for 5 to 10 minutes. Add the corn, edamame, and hijiki to a bowl. Add the mayonnaise and soy sauce, then season with salt and pepper. Gently toss everything together until evenly combined. Most dried hijiki sold in Japan is steamed or boiled before being dried, so it can be eaten after rehydrating without any additional cooking. However, preparation instructions may vary, so always check the package. If you find the aroma a little strong, you can also blanch the rehydrated hijiki briefly in boiling water before adding it to the salad. Transfer it to a serving dish and it's ready. Here's one more salad using hijiki. This is a warm salad made with kabocha squash and lotus root, making it perfect for the cooler month. The tender roasted vegetables go really well with the sweet and savory hijiki. Roast the thinly sliced kabocha squash and lotus root at 230 degrees for about 7 minutes. Add the rehydrated and well-drained hijiki to a saucepan. Add the soy sauce and sugar. Cook until the sugar has completely dissolved and the hijiki is evenly coated with the seasoning. Add the roasted vegetables and seasoned hijiki to a large bowl. Gently toss until everything is evenly mixed. Transfer the salad to a serving dish and it's ready. You can also make this with sweet potatoes, regular potatoes, onions, or other vegetables you enjoy. If you are enjoying this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Our final recipe is a cabbage and tuna salad with nori. Nori is often used for rice bowls, sushi, or wrapping different foods, but it's also delicious in salads. This recipe is also a great way to use nori that has lost some of its crispness. First, thinly shred the cabbage. Place the cabbage in a bowl, then add the drained tuna. Tear the nori into bite-sized pieces and add most of it to the bowl. Save a little nori for the final topping. Add the salt, rice vinegar, and soy sauce. Gently toss everything together until evenly combined. Transfer the salad to a serving dish, then add the remaining nori on top. And it's ready. Today I shared 5 easy seaweed salads using wakame, hijiki, and nori. Which one would you like to try? They are all simple to make, so I hope you will give them a try at home. If you like more simple Japanese recipes and tips, I share them in my weekly newsletter. You can find the link in the description. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.